Hey there, this is Tara with WTA. I have become absolutely addicted ever since that I got my VASSON fabric shaver in my life. It has so much power and so much speed. Listen to this. 2 speeds. Low, high. The very second I got the fabric shaver out of the box, I began looking for things that I could use it on. So I was using it on sweatpants. I found a sweater that was full of balls that easily came off within a few minutes. I even started to use it on some of my socks. The most difficult item I had was a blouse that I had had for a couple of years that had gotten full of lint and fuzz. And it only took me maybe about 20 minutes to do the entire blouse. And as you can see, it made it look brand new like it was when it came out of the store. They made it so easy to be able to clean up. You can just empty out the fuzz in the little container. And then when you need to clean out the actual heads themselves, you take off the cover and then you pull the blades out. And then they provide you with a little brush, which makes it so much easier to clean it up. Then to put it back together, really easy, put the blades back on, and then you put the protective cover back on and screw the top back on. Another great thing about this is that straight out of the box, I used this shaver for 2 hours straight before the battery died. So all you have to do is, because it's rechargeable, plug it back in to recharge. It only takes a couple hours and then it's ready to go. So if you have been looking for a way to spare your clothes, to make your clothes look like new again, I highly, highly recommend this fabric shaver. I am a big fan and I'm addicted, and that is just my point of view.